Yep, getting ready to cut this baby down. Where we at? Right back here. Check it out. Yeah. I think that's blue courge. It is, we're in October now. Like, I don't know, somewhere in the first week of October, I'm not even sure. But autumn movements. So this has been here growing for the last few months. Getting ready to pick it today, so very excited about that. And I want to pick it for a few reasons. Well, let me show you. It's weighing down the whole fence. It's about that time. It's really huge. Check. Try to pull this out. So I don't know if you can see how it's, the weight of it is pulling down everything. But look at the size of it. Try to get a better view. I know the sun's hidden. There you go. Yeah, there you go. It's like a dinosaur egg, huh? It's dope. This is a French squash species or strain. I think it's blue courge. Real thick stalk. So yes, it's been vertically grown the whole time. And you see how the plant adapts to where the fruit is growing from. You see the size of the stalk. It's, compared to the bamboo, it just grew a thick stalk to support its weight. Very intelligent life forms. Where it used to be. Look at the size of that stalk though, like steep. On to the next one. Yeah. Check the size of this. There's some weight on this. Like, look. That's huge, huh? Yeah. This is, yeah. I just feel great. I just feel so happy. Just giving birth. Check it. Yeah, I don't have nothing else to say. Nothing else to say. I'm just showing this off. Our biggest harvest yet for one fruit. I don't even know how much this weighs, but definitely more than it's more than 8 kilos. Easily. But yeah, I'm out.